Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. Super excited to welcome you, but also to introduce myself and the channel, lover of all things good. So before I started posting a bunch of content, I wanted to at least introduce myself. Seemed to be polite, of course, right? And basically the premise and kind of purpose as to why I started this channel. So the reason why I started basically is really, I love cooking, something I really enjoy doing. I find it therapeutic and it's kind of a creative outlet for me. And I think there's a lot of people who don't cook anymore actually. So there's been a lost art, and I think it's something that I enjoy doing and sharing with my friends, but also I find a lot of pragmatism in doing it. I think it's great for saving money. It's also good for the health benefits of knowing who's preparing your food, but also what's in it, and basically be able to measure what you're actually putting in your food. I'm excited to immerse myself more in this YouTube community, but also to learn more about the process of photography, videography, editing, production. I have some great friends of mine, Brian, who's been kind of my executive producer of sorts, and then also Eric, who's helped me with some lighting and some equipment to understand how to actually use that. I enjoy cooking. It's something I've done for quite a long time actually. So growing up, both my parents cooked. We used to share a lot of meals around the table, and it's some of my fondest basically memories since I can remember. Please engage and comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Give me a thumbs up for this video if you do like it. And also just let me know, like I really want to develop new recipes and different things and next some meal plans and different things for each and every one of you. Then please check out my Instagram at lover of all things good. Thank you so much.